Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2-2-3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Yes, sir. Box Chevy. You did. Box Chevy. Y'all ain't been tuning in the channel, man. 79. Heavy Chevy. You know what I'm saying? Rally. Yeah, man. Hey, so, for the people who been tuned into the channel, this is 79 Impala. Well, for the people who ain't been tuned into the channel, this is 79 Impala. You feel me? Not a Caprice. It's an Impala. You know what I'm saying? It's not a Caprice. Y'all know I went through the whole car. Damn near went through his whole car. You feel me? But I'll tell y'all what's going on with the Chevy, right? This was going on with the Chevy. I ran out of gas. And I be forgetting, like, this thing drink gas, boy. You run out of gas so quick, boy. That guy drink gas, boy. You run out of gas so quick, boy. That boy drink gas, boy. And I ain't gonna lie, man. Like, it ride good and all that, but I want more power. So, I'm probably about to snatch that 350 up out of there, man. Either turn that 350 to a 383 or just go on the LS. You feel me? I might just go on the LS like that boy Boosie doing. Now, y'all seen that boy Boosie LS swap me about shit. I might just go on the LS and take that 350 out, go through it, turn it to a 383, and put that 383 into another old school. But I'm probably about going to LS this. And I'm LS my shop bed too, man. You feel me? Probably just going to LS it, bro. So I ain't got to be worried about this, that, and the other. But, man, I do like my old blocks in my old car. But, man, hey, man, I'm trying to go crazy, dog. And I feel like that's the only thing I ain't doing to the car for real. Like, man, I gotta go LA, bro. I got pies back there, all that. Y'all been tuning in, y'all know I'm having pies back there, all that, bro. The one on the car with almost 3 years, about 3 years. This the car that started the YouTube channel. Y'all didn't know. This car started MaddMarkscars. This is the first car I ever put speakers in, like subwoofers. It's the only car I ever put speakers in. Y'all see the grill new, the lights new. You know what I'm saying? New school paint job. Y'all know my interior orange. For y'all who ain't been tuned in, the interior orange. Bennett steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? Suede. On the steering wheel, suede headliner. You feel me? I'll tell y'all it's an Impala, not a Caprice. It's an Impala. You know what I'm saying? So, I just be trying to see exactly what else I want to do to the car, man. And I think LS swapped the way to go. I think LS swapped the way to go, bro. This 350, this is 1979. So imagine how old this 350 is, man. That engine tired, man. It really ain't even, don't make sense to keep putting money into the engine. I might well pull the engine out and go all the way through it. That just makes more sense to do. You feel me? So that's what I'm on, y'all. I'm gonna crank this thing up. I ain't about to crank it up right now. But I'm gonna crank it up on another video and ride to show y'all what I'm talking about. You feel me? I'm ride and show y'all what I'm talking about. Thing ride though, bro. I just need more power. Then when it rains, oh God. When it wet outside, boy, you can't drive this car, boy. You'll wreck this car, boy. When it rain outside, boy, you'll wreck this car, boy. For real. No lie, man. Look. When it's raining outside, you will wreck this car. That Pies got this thing all over the place, bro. Ain't no traction control. It's old school car traction control. I didn't realize all this until I put the Pies in and I was driving when it was wet. Never again. Yeah, just keeping the book. Telling folk, man, look. The old school bills, not for the weak hearted, boy. And boy, your paper better be straight, boy. Cause all this stuff going up in price, bro. A lot of this stuff is how it used to be cheap. It's not cheap no more. Like for real, yeah, some stuff that's still cheap, but it's still higher than it used to be, bro. Like, then, like, man, the old school stuff, crazy, boy. And I love it. I love it. You feel me? I love it, bro. I love putting stuff together, bro. I love, like, they messed up when I did that box, like, bro, like, if, man, I go to my playlist, man, 1979 Road to Restoration. Y'all see how that car used to look when I first got it compared to how it look now? Oh, man, they just got me like this here. More bills on the way, bro. More bills on the way, bro. Like, this stuff really come all the way around, bro, for real, for real. Like, and it's really crazy. Like, bro, I don't... Like, this cat, like, this, like, bro. Man, I understand, boy. I see why a lot of people like old schools, though. I see why a lot of people like old schools. And for just driving my car, shoot, man, people give you that bag, too, boy. You know what I'm saying? People give you that bag. They'll tell you to follow them to the bank. And folks buy that junk. They'll buy your old school from you. They'll buy your... I feel like they will buy your old school before you buy a new car. Everybody trying to pull all that money out of the bank and put all them, get all that, pay all that money for a new car. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, it really ain't worth it. The new car is really not worth paying all that money for. Unless you get the top of the line version. And it depends on what type of car it is, it's still not worth it because the stuff depreciates so bad. Stuff depreciates so bad. See me, I like my Corvettes and, you know what I'm saying? My Cadillac CTFVs and, you know what I'm saying? What else like my Porsche 911s. I like stuff like that, man. I've been looking at the Ram TRX though, I ain't gonna lie. My cousin got one, I like it. But man, that's $100,000 for a truck, a Dodge truck, bro. They want a whole $100. They want $100. And man, I don't know, dog. Like $100, like, shh. Man, you know, I'm big on spending money wisely too, bro. Like, is that truck worth $100,000? Yeah, it got a Hellcat engine in it. Yeah, it's a Ram TRX, but yeah, I got stuff like the Trailblazer SS. Will spank that round ass. You hear me? Like, and that was an old truck, and I ain't spending about 10, 15 grand in that truck. So it be stuff like that, like, I want $100,000, and I spank that truck with a truck that ain't never worth $20,000. That's what I be talking about. That junk crazy to me, bro. Even with the Hellcat, they want 75, 50, 75 for a Hellcat. And I know a lot of people just get V6s and just swapping them over, just getting SRT engines and just putting them in there and put a wide body kit on. I feel like that's a win-win like that. You feel me? Because you winning like that. Instead of spending all that money on that stuff, man. A Hellcat though. But you can win just getting V6 and putting all the SRT stuff into it. You winning. Come out way cheaper, dog. You feel me? So I said I might give me a V6, bro, and a V6 Challenger. I gotta put all the SRT stuff on the wide body kit and everything. You feel me? And I'm trying to see if I want to pay somebody to do it or I want to try to do it myself. I'm trying to see if I want to pay somebody to do it or I want to do it myself. I don't know, dog.